Hello everyone, welcome to my online class and I am present with a new chapter of environmental study. Chapter number 17 and the title of this chapter is communication today. This is the second part of this chapter. In first part we have done the reading practice of this chapter and through this video I am going to teach you about some content of this chapter. So let's start the class. EVS chapter number 17 and the title of the chapter is what? Communication today. This is the second part of this chapter and in this chapter we will learn about we will learn about we will learn number 1 we will learn communication about communication. Second, we will learn about means of communication in the past, means of communication in the past and present, and we will learn about mass communication, mass communication. So these three subtopic of this chapter. So in this chapter we will learn about communication, about means of communication in the past and present, and about mass communication. So first we will learn about communication. Okay. Question is, what is communication? Okay. What is communication? So communication means what? What is communication? What is communication? So you can see that I have written on the board what is communication. First we will try to know about communication. What is communication? In Hindi बातचीत करना. Why do we need communication? जरूरी क्यों है बातचीत करना? So first I am going to write the definition. Or meaning. What is communication? क्या लिखेंगे? Expressing ideas or sharing, SHARING, sharing information, expressing ideas or sharing information by talking, 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 by talking or writing, is called communication. So you can see that I have written the definition of what is communication. Expressing ideas or sharing information by talking or writing is called communication. In Hindi बातचीत करना. तो क्यों जरूरी है बातचीत करना? ये मैंने लिख दिया, दोनों एक साथ लिख दिया. कम्युनिकेशन मतलब when we talk when we talk or write to others, जब हम किसी दूसरे से लिखित या मौखिक रूप से बात करते हैं, that is called the communication. Why do we need communication? Second question is, why do we need communication? So we need communication to express our idea. ये मैंने definition लिखा है, मैंने ये definition लिखा है. अब मैं लिखता हूँ second things. Why do we need? Second things is, why do we need? Why do we need communication? Why do we need communication? हम लोगों के लिए कम्युनिकेशन क्यों जरूरी है, बातचीत करना क्यों जरूरी है? So simple. We need communication to express our ideas, our feelings, our thought, our information, our knowledge with others. Okay. Why do we need communication? We need communication. We need communication to express our ideas, THOUGHT, thought, our ideas, thought, feelings, information or knowledge with others. We need communication to express our ideas, thought, feelings, information or knowledge with others or to others. अगर क्यों जरूरी है? अगर हम दूसरे से इसलिए जरूरी है ताकि हम अपने विचारों को, आइडियाज, अपने विचारों को, अपने सुझाव को, अपने सोच को, थॉट मतलब अपने सोच को, अपने अनुभव को और अपने इंफॉर्मेशन, जानकारी को, अपने ज्ञान को दूसरों के साथ हम बांट सके. टू एक्सप्रेस आवर आइडियाज, इसलिए जो है ये कम्युनिकेशन जरूरी है. वी नीड कम्युनिकेशन टू एक्सप्रेस आवर आइडियाज, थॉट, फीलिंग्स, इंफॉर्मेशन और knowledge with others. So two things we have learned. First, what is communication, and the second thing is why do we need communication. Now next thing is communication. So communication is two types. एक फर्स्ट वन इज वर्बल, VERBAL, verbal communication. And okay, communication is two types. First, verbal, VERBAL, verbal communication. And the second one is non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication. What is verbal communication? This is two types. Communication is two types: verbal communication and non-verbal communication. What is verbal communication? What is non-verbal communication? Verbal communication means communication in which we use talk, we use word, or we use talk or write to others. जब हम लोग किसी से बात करते हैं, दूसरे से बात करते हैं, ठीक है, when we express our idea, when we share, when we share, when we share some, when we share ideas, when we share our ideas, knowledge, 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 our ideas, knowledge in written form, in 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 or by, when we share our ideas, knowledge by talking or writing, by talking or writing, is called is called verbal, is called verbal communication. When we share our ideas, knowledge by talking or writing, is called वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, जैसे हम लोग किसी को लिख के, हम लोग अगर मुंह से किसी से बात कर रहे हैं, तो हम जब बात करते हैं, मुंह चलाते हैं, वर्ड यूज करते हैं, और या लिख कर हम किसी से बातचीत करते हैं, तो उसको वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन कहते हैं. नाउ कम टू द नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. व्हाट इज नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन? So non-verbal communication means when we, at the time of communication, at the time of communication, we use gesture, or facial expression. This is called non-verbal communication. At the time of communication, बातचीत के समय, when we use, थोड़ा सा छूट गया है बच्चों, when we use, at the time of communication, when we use gestures, we use gesture or facial expression, is called non-verbal communication. मतलब जैसे हम अगर अपने बॉडी लैंग्वेज से बात करते हैं, विदाउट एनी वर्ड, विदाउट यूजिंग एनी वर्ड, अगर हम लोग अपने बॉडी लैंग्वेज से, अपने फेस एक्सप्रेशन से, फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन से, FACIAL फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन, GESTURE जेस्चर मतलब हाथ की मुद्राएं, हाथ के इशारों से या फेस एक्सप्रेशन से जब हम किसी से बातचीत करते हैं बिना कुछ बोले, उसे क्या कहते हैं? नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. जब हम किसी से बोलकर बात करते हैं या लिख कर बात करते हैं, उसको वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. जब हम किसी से बिना बोले, बिना मुंह चलाए, बिना वर्ड यूज किए, जब हम सिर्फ हाथ के इशारों से या फेस के इशारों से बात करते हैं, उसे क्या कहते हैं? नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. So this is two types of communication: verbal communication and non-verbal communication. Okay, so in this video we have learned about communication, why do we need communication, and types of communication. Verbal communication, at the time of communication when we talk or write, or non-verbal communication, at the time of communication we use our gesture or facial expression. This is called non-verbal communication. So students, we have learned about communication, types of communication, and why do we need of communication. All of you first will read this chapter properly and underline the hard words. Thank you.